You were a very eloquent critic of U.S. policy in the broader Middle East, of Afghanistan, Pakistan, with regard to the military actions. You would always argue that those actions, the drone attacks and such, fed the forces that produce terrorism. What I'm struck by is you have ISIS or ISIL attacking in Iraq, attacking in Syria, attacking in Pakistan, as you say, in Afghanistan. The US is out. What is fueling the terrorism we are still seeing in the broader Middle East? Is it all Sunni versus Shia? What are the roots of this terrorism now?
The US war on terror actually bred terrorists. I can tell you from the Pakistan's example, because Pakistan, by joining the US, we had 80,000 people dying in this joining the US war on terror. And we saw the war, as it went along, it produced more terrorists. I'm convinced it's exactly the same what happened in Afghanistan. Because these night raids in Afghanistan, drone attacks, really the United States must review this policy. We watched what happened here. They were telling people in the US that the drones were very accurate and the people, they actually got the terrorists. Bombs exploding in villages. How would they only get the terrorists? So there was a lot of collateral damage, and I'm afraid people in the US did not really, the public that didn't know the amount of collateral damage. We bore the brunt because what happened was we were considered collaborators of the US. So all the revenge attacks were against the Pakistani soldiers, against the people of Pakistan. There were suicide attacks. We lost 80,000 people.
But the US has withdrawn and the terror continues.
Much less. Fareed, you can't compare now. During the height of this war on terror, Islamabad was a fortress. I mean, you had suicide attacks going everywhere. So compared to what used to happen now, terrorism is almost insignificant now.